Most riders don't fail because they're slow, or inexperienced, or unlucky. They fail because of one tiny habit they repeat every single time they touch the clutch. A habit so subtle, so automatic, that your brain doesn't even register it as a mistake. And that's exactly why it destroys your riding without you ever noticing. See, the clutch isn't just a lever. It's the connection between your intention and the motorcycle's reaction. It decides whether your power is controlled or chaotic, whether your ride is smooth or sloppy, whether you look like a confident rider or like someone who's always one bad decision away from stalling, jerking, or losing control. But here's the sinister truth nobody tells you. Your brain lies to you every time you pull the clutch in. It convinces you that more clutch equals more safety, that covering the clutch is always good, that feathering it whenever you're unsure makes you smoother. But in reality, this exact mindset is the reason so many riders never improve. Their confidence stays low, their throttle control stays weak, and their riding instincts stay frozen at a beginner level. Because when you misuse the clutch, you're not just hurting the bike, you're training your nervous system to panic. A bike doesn't need a fearful clutch hand, it needs a decisive one. A hand that knows when to engage, when to release, and when to trust the engine instead of smothering it. And the wild part? Almost every rider who struggles with cornering, slow-speed maneuvers, hill starts, or even smooth takeoffs is unknowingly committing this exact clutch mistake over and over every single ride. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Once you fix it, your entire riding level jumps instantly. Your throttle becomes cleaner, your bike becomes calmer, and your confidence becomes something other riders actually notice. So before you learn more skills, before you watch more tutorials, before you assume you need more practice, first, fix this one mistake. Because the clutch isn't ruining your bike, it's quietly ruining your potential as a rider. And today, you're going to break that pattern permanently. 1. Death grip habit. Most riders grab the clutch way too early and far too often, thinking it makes the ride safer. But every unnecessary pull disconnects the engine's power, breaks your momentum, and trains your brain to react out of fear instead of control. This tiny habit creates instability everywhere. Takeoffs, corners, slow-speed moves, and you don't even realize you're doing it. 2. Why it hurts you. Overusing the clutch destroys your natural balance and ruins your throttle instinct. Instead of trusting the engine, you interrupt it. The bike responds with jerks, hesitations, and shaky power delivery. Even skilled riders who do this stay stuck at a beginner feel because their muscle memory is built on interruptions instead of smooth, decisive control. 3. Mindset trap. Your brain tells you the clutch is your safety switch, but that belief is the real danger. The clutch doesn't calm the bike, it cuts its communication. Riders who fear losing control cling to the lever. Riders who improve let the engine breathe. Fixing this isn't mechanical, it's mental. You must break the urge to clutch whenever you feel unsure. 4. Use it right. The clutch should serve only 3 purposes: smooth takeoffs, precision control at extremely slow speeds, and clean gear shifts. Outside of that, leave it alone. A confident release lets the bike stabilize itself, gives the engine consistent feedback, and makes your riding instantly smoother. Your bike wants consistency, not constant interruptions. 5. The one-day fix. On your next ride, practice one rule: no clutch unless absolutely needed. Keep your hand ready, but don't pull. Let the engine carry you. As you resist the urge to clutch, your balance sharpens, your throttle becomes cleaner, and your confidence skyrockets. This is the fastest upgrade you'll ever feel, and it happens in a single day. You'll notice something interesting after today. Every time your hand drifts toward the clutch, you'll feel that tiny moment of awareness, that whisper reminding you, "This is the habit that was holding me back." And once you feel that, you can't go back to the old way of riding, because now you see the difference between a rider who controls their bike and a rider who hides behind the clutch. And I'm genuinely curious, which part of this hit you the hardest? Was it the death grip habit, the mindset trap, or that uncomfortable realization that the clutch was shaping your confidence more than the road ever did? Tell me in the comments. Your answer actually shows me how fast you're going to improve after this. And listen, this channel is still growing, still small, still fueled by riders who want to become the version of themselves they know they're capable of. If you want to be part of that transformation, help push this channel to its first big milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Not as support, but as a signal that you're one of the riders who refuses to stay average. Let's see who actually steps up.